So Zach and I had the great idea to go and inflate a ball inside here to push out this over fender that's all messed up. And so now we're taking the over fender off. Alright, Zach. Let's try it. Full blast.
Bingo, baby. Look at that. Ah, why do you stop it?
Hook it.
No, I'm kidding. But that was pushed in so much more.
It's ripping You could have just hit it. Put it back in and then let the air out of it.
I know.
Yeah, we'll be able to get it out now. Underneath the over fender, it looks so much worse.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, I mean, I guess it was I take the need for the drill out.
No, I still need to drill the rivets out.
Oh, yeah, true.
Who wants cheap over fenders?
Yeah,
These are perfect. Just drifted once.
And then another one of the things we're going to be working on today is installing a kill switch on this. All right. But the one in here just kind of just crapped out on us. So we got to go take this and actually cut this out. This is actually not cut it out, but remove it and then replace it with this bad boy. Because we bypass jumped it. We turn it on and then the switch panel does new thing. And the battery's like totally good to go, fully charged up. So, and we bypassed that and totally found out that was messed up. So, over fendro is off, yo. You ready for round two? Just close the door for no reason, even though we just said to
close it.
Oh. Yeah, whatever. I'm gonna close it. Because you said to.
Might as well just have it.
Yeah, let's try it closed.
Because we want it to line up with
round two, fight! Whoa!
I won't move the compressor inside. So
Oh, dang. Keep going. Or is it like all the way?
No.
Whoa!
It's not bad.
That did pretty dang good.
I mean, that's like a stock body 240 now.
Yeah, it looks like it's been around the block
It's
once or
never
twice, but
been in any accidents.
not one.
Do we have a film or video of this?
I think you have it. Yeah,
I do.
send it to me. We'll insert the clip right here.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right.
Ready?
Now we're out. Ready?
Round
and
three.
Go.
Whoa. Oh, it's leaking a little bit. This one's gonna be right here.
All right, let's see this.
Hopefully it.
Whoa. Holy, I told you. Let's try this. Hey! Hey!
Oh. Us car guys, I feel like half of us don't like sports, but don't hate on football too much, because I hate football. I'm not a fan.
I hate football too.
But it comes in handy sometimes
Yeah, definitely did.
to work on our cars.
That pulled
And
out.
If we have a picture of this before, we'll have the before and after. And this whole thing was caved in so far, I don't think I would have been able to get another over fender on it. So now that at least the outlining of the over fender is straight, we'll be able to put an over fender
Oh,
on
yeah.
and hide all this uglies, which is
Ew.
normal on a 240, so that's whatever.
Yeah, they're all ugly anyways, but
Yeah.
the funny
And hopefully I
part,
can get a window in.
the funny part is,
Oh yeah, the interior.
yeah, so it's literally blown out all the way where it's touching the cage now. Using the cage as a backstop. You're lit. There's
Oh,
Tyler.
God.
Huh?
Yes, with the help of my awesome brother.
Smiling like that every time I try to catch you. It's so creepy. You're gonna creep people out. There you go. You gonna go right on that glass?
No. Well, that's plexi.
Oh, plexi.
Oh, my sandwich.
Alright. You just go right up, right?
It's got
Oh, it's a little
that's a
pop clip.
stock clip.
Yeah, dude, just put it right here on your... Didn't Jake like RTV that back in for you? Or did you?
No, I did.
You did? Oh.
Which is another weird thing. I mean, I guess it could have leaked through here because I didn't seal the bolts.
This looks like a comfortable position right there.
That's the normal position of a 240.
Yeah, just working on a 240 it looks like.
Alright.
That's just...
You want to get inside?
Yeah, I mean, I'm trying, but there's like a lot of stuff in the way. Yeah, there's some clean wiring down here that I can see.
Yeah, don't pay too much mind. Okay.
There you go.
Okay, going.
All right. Pull her down, Stan.
My name's Zach.
I mean, Zach. Stan, why are you so mad? Ah, yes. It's not working. So, this one's worse, right?
Yeah, the bigger. It's
where's
not
the-
about the size. The size doesn't matter. It's about oceans that you float in your boat.
Numbre uno.
Numero unce. I think that's 11.
I didn't say uno's one, dude. Oh, there you go.
I don't think I have enough thread.
Nope. And
Continuation of the video we were doing yesterday. Zach ended up going in and welding a nice little panel in instead of having that ghetto thing. There's just still a little hole he said he's gonna fill back up. But right now, as you can tell, the car turns on. Battery is the exact same as it was before, so that was the problem. Right, Zachariah?
I fixed it. She's a
Yeah.
ripper.
You gonna do a burnout now?
No. It's too late.
Yeah?
It's too late.
It's too
Look,
late
it's
to apply?
4:48.
Oh,
It's too
time to do a burnout. Just a quick one. My dad literally said he wants to see more burnouts in our videos.
It's too close to Christmas. We have to be nice to the neighbors
Just a quick
for
one.
the Christmas spirit.
Just a quick one.
It's okay.
Just a quickie.
It's okay. They see if they want to do it. If they want to see a burnout, they have to go to the previous burnouts at Zach's house.
Starts out good now.
Starts up like a darn Prius.
Yeah, it's pretty quiet, huh?